Hello everyone, I'm Alex with Southeastern IT. Today I will be showing you how to set up multi-factor authentication, or MFA, with Microsoft Authenticator. In this video, I will be going over the installation and setup of both the Android and iOS apps. To get started, open a website called my.sc.edu. That's what I will do right now. Once that page loads, you'll be greeted with our login screen. So from here, just enter your student email address. Then enter your password. Now on the screen that says, "Let's keep your account secure," this is where we will begin the setup process for Microsoft Authenticator, so click Next. Now we are here on Microsoft's registration screen. So for this next part, I'll need you to switch over to your phone where we will install the app. To install the Android app for Microsoft Authenticator, just open up the Play Store, go down to Search, then the search bar at the top, we'll just type in Microsoft Authenticator. Then it will be this app right here. Just click on Install. Give that a minute to install. Okay, now I've shown you how to install the app on your phone. So for this part, just click Next on your computer, Next again. All right, and so you get this QR code on the phone. Just go to Accept, Continue, then scan a QR code. Then you have to allow your camera permission. Then there we go, it just scanned. Then click OK. And now you are set up on the mobile app. Then you just click Next. It gives me the code 85. It'll likely be different for you. Then on this screen, type that in on your phone. Click Yes. Scan my fingerprint. It is approved. Now your computer will redirect because it is set up. Now for this part, enter your phone number and it will send you a text message. I will do that part off camera. Okay, I just received the code. Then you just click Next. And you are done. And that's all it takes to set up Microsoft Authenticator. Then you just click Stay Signed In. And it will redirect you on to the university's website. For this part of the video, I'll be showing you how to install Authenticator on your iOS devices. So for this, we will just go to the App Store, go to the search box, type in Microsoft Authenticator, and it will be this one right here. I already have it installed. All you have to do is just install it, and then from this point forward, just follow the same steps as I already showed you in the Android part of the tutorial, as they are the same. So the last step I showed you was the initial setup of Microsoft Authenticator. Now let me show you how it's going to look on a day-to-day basis. So let's go back to my.sc.edu. You'll then sign in with your account. You'll then be presented with a number, so you'll need your phone ready for this part, and I'll show you this on the screen recording as well. So you'll receive a notification on your phone. Just open that notification up. It'll say Approve Sign In. Click on that. Then you'll type in this number that it gives you, and the one that you get will be different than what mine is. Tap Yes. You'll then have to either enter your phone's PIN number or scan your fingerprint, and then your computer will redirect to the Stay Signed In screen. Just click Yes, and this is all you have to do to use Microsoft Authenticator. If you have any issues with it, please call my office at 580-745-2408, and we'll be glad to help you out.